in our second part, in our second session is tongue twisters. First of all, what are tongue twisters and how do they help? Tongue twisters, these are phrases designed to be difficult for proper articulation, and they help on improving pronunciation and diction. At the same time, they enhance fluency. The third point is that at the same time, they identify weaknesses, they build confidence, they can be used as a warm-up tool, and lastly, they are for cognitive benefits. Thank you so much, and we are going to that part now.
A big black bug bit a big black bear, made the big black bear bleed blood. If one doctor doctors another doctor, does the doctor who's doctoring the doctor the doctor the way the doctor he is doctoring doctors, or does he doctor the doctor the way the doctor who is doctoring doctors? If a nurse is sick, can the nurse nursing the nurse nurse the nurse the way the nurse wants to be nursed as a nurse? If Mr. Can't tie a tie can tie a tie, why can't I tie a tie like Mr. Can tie a tie? How much wood can a woodchuck chuck? If a woodchuck would chuck wood, he would chuck he would as much as he could, and chuck as much wood as a woodchuck would if a woodchuck could chuck wood.
Which, wished, wicked wish. Zini, zippy, zippy, zebras. How much wood would a woodchuck chuck if a woodchuck could chuck wood? He would chuck he would as much as he could, and chuck as much wood as a woodchuck would if a woodchuck could chuck wood. If fry fried a fry, did fry a fry as fry.